Are you American living in Japan? Or maybe outside of Japan? Whatever. Maybe you are studying Japanese because you want to speak Japanese. But you feel like you'll never be able to speak Japanese in your life. I cannot speak confidently. It's been a year or maybe 2 years. Probably you use textbooks like Genki or Minna no Nihongo or any like a language application, Duolingo or Wanikani, Penciler, Rosetta Stone, any language, this bunch of applications and lessons. But you feel like today, I want to speak to the people. I don't know what to say. I'm not sure. And it's been so many actually months, years. And you feel like you will never be able to speak Japanese because Japanese language is difficult. On the other hand, 3, 4, 5 years old children don't do all this stuff, nothing at all, but they are already speaking Japanese fluently. Oh, she was a baby. She already speak Japanese confidently, fluently after just 3, 4 years. And then I'm not making any progress. Even my pronunciation is horrible. I don't know how to join the conversation. My confident phrases is, I am living in Japan, and then also, I don't know. So, if you really feeling like you would never be able to speak Japanese and you're not making progress, don't you think you should change your learning method? Maybe your just learning method is not practical. Maybe just, learning a bunch of stuff, but you're not remembering anything. Then this is not effective. This is not efficient. You're just wasting time, which is time is precious. You don't want to be just old without any speaking skills, right? Then let's change your learning method. This is Terumi. I'm 36 years old. I can speak 4 languages. But I just started this training, which is speaking training. It's just a few years ago. It was so easy to learn the language. I don't need to do this spelling. I don't need to do this flashcard. And I cannot remember desk. This is a pen. Sun, weather, and then flower. Oh, I don't know. I don't remember. And it's not practical. And I didn't like the textbook at all. But when you actually found the effective learning method, so easy to pronounce, so easy to see the progress. So you just need to find the best learning method, which is very practical, effective, efficient, so you can actually shortcut to actually be able to speak Japanese confidently in just 2 months. So the solution is not just looking at textbook. You need to make action to change your learning method. So join our free consultation. So in this consultation, we check your level, first of all, how much you can speak already or how much you can write down already. Even scratch, it's okay. We just need to see your current level in the consultation, and let's find the best solution to learn. Finally, you become a Japanese speaker in just 2 months.